Hi, welcome to the fifth of this series of videos for volunteers who are creating the Marybrow website. In this video, I'm going to cover the QuickEdit feature, and that is such a useful feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my posts, and I'm going to load up all my posts, and I'm going to make sure that I've selected my own folder. And there we've got it, the one that we did in the previous videos, and it's our introductory post. And when I point to a particular post, we see this little menu coming up. I want to click on Quick Edit. This allows us to do lots of things. We all know that feeling. You've just pressed publish and you go, oh no, I didn't mean to do that. I still have to change something. That's okay. Just come back to here, come right over to the right hand side here, and where it says published, click on the drop down, click on draft and update. That has now put it back to be draft. So I'm going to click on Quick Edit again and let you see some of the other features. We mentioned in the last one about that comments box, and we said you may not want to have comments on your post. So what we can do is just click that there, and that stops people being able to comment. In our last post, we looked at the different categories as well. Again, this is where you may realise that you've put it into the wrong category, so you can actually come down and you can see all the different categories here. If you ever forget to save a category before you publish your post, it's going to automatically come up as uncategorized. So this is quite a good area to come into and actually click on uncategorized to remove the tick, provided you've got your other one as well. And again, we looked at the folders in the last video, and again we see that this is in this case the Woodland group, but you would put your own group folder and select that. The other thing that we've got here is the date of our post. Now, we find that quite useful in the Woodland group, because what we do is if we have a work session, say on the first Saturday of the month, we may not actually create the post until the Sunday, Monday, maybe even the Tuesday. So what we can then do is we can actually come back here and we can actually change the date to represent when we were actually doing the post. So we can actually change the date as we want to there. Once you've made all the changes you want here, you can click on update, and that's going to change everything for you. So if I do that, what we should see is that our post will now disappear away down here, very bottom. There are actually 2 pages here. This is page 1 of 2. We could click on the arrows if we wanted to go back and forth, but this is our introductory post down here. It appeared down there because I changed the date of the post.